Hi everyone, I am Don Anton. As I promised you, today we are going to talk about does plus subject, verb and object, or today we are going to make sentences in simple present tense. We are going to make questions in simple present tense by using singular pronouns. Let's have a look, singular pronouns as well as singular nouns. Yes. Does he like mornings? Does he like morning? Does she like music? Does she like music? Does he listen to music? Does he listen to music? Does John watch movies? Here you could see John as a noun. So the John is a singular noun, therefore we have to use does. So then, does John watch movies? So if somebody asks, does John watch movies or does he watch movies, what would be your answer? If you know yes, you could say yes he does or no he doesn't. Right, let's move on to another one. Does she read books? Does she read books? Does brother play any sports? Does brother play any sports? Does he drink coffee? Does he drink coffee? All right.
Does he like mornings?
Does she listen to music? Does she read books? Does he play any sports? Right. Next week, I hope to discuss with you how to make negative fractions by using simple present tense. You could see here one, don't you like coffee? See you.